If you're looking for a little early fall inspiration, you've come to the right place. Today I will be sharing a Decorate With Me Fall 2023 video in my kitchen and family room. So grab a snack or a glass of wine and join me. And as always, thanks for stopping by Lifestyle with Melonie Graves, where I share stylish and creative ideas to help you do what makes you happy in your home. What makes me happy is the season of fall. I love this time of year. I lightly style the kitchen, so I'm going to share some styling ideas with you today. I always like to give the countertops and backsplash a good wipe down when I change out my decor for the season, so that's what you see me doing here. And once I get finished with that, I go ahead and start styling. Now I have 3 different counter space areas in our kitchen, the one you see here. Then we have a center island where we do most of the prep work for food, dinner, breakfast, lunch. And then I have a longer island in front of that where we sit. So I usually keep this area that you see here and the center island with minimal decor because we need the space for food prep and cooking. And these pieces that you see me styling, I found this year at Home Goods. So if you are looking for a similar product, now is probably the time to go in there and check it out. I like to style underneath our range hood as well with something that we can easily remove when it's time to cook. This Farniente sign is actually from the side of a wine crate, and I am stacking on top of that just some really pretty cutting boards that again can easily be moved when it's time to prep for cooking. And on this side of the stove, I just got creative with an older piece that I have. I took some old fall picks and popped them in just to pull some of the fall color over and make it a little more festive. I found these picks this year and I'll link them for you down in the description box. In fact, I'll link as much as possible down there if you are inspired by any of the pieces you see in this video today. Again, some things came from Home Goods, some things I've had forever, but anything that's newer, I'll make sure to link for you. Now this is the island where I really do get to have some fun and fill it in with all the pretty things. I found this gorgeous runner. It's really long and I just loved all the texture and the warm colors. So I picked that up and I'm pulling out all of my older dinnerware just to play around with a couple of different place setting ideas. hopefully styling the kitchen with me gave you some great ideas for your own home. If they did, please give this video a thumbs up. I'm moving on to the family room, pulling out my fall colored pillow covers. Got a new pillow this year that I'm about to show you, and I'll just be quiet now and let you enjoy the styling process. And just like that, we are falling into fall. I really hope you enjoyed this video and were inspired in some way. I appreciate you watching today. As always, love and peace.